Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to talk about the Navigator window. Okay, let me enlarge this so you can get a clear view. I hate this, sorry to say, but this highlighted mouse I can't control, have precise control over it. Okay, Navigator. You can come from here, as I showed you this button here. Let's close this, or you can come from View, Navigator, okay, or Control N. Same thing. Now if you go on View, you see all these here. Control M will bring the Market Watch window. Control D will bring the data window. Control N, the Navigator. Terminal window is Control T, and Strategy Tester is a Control R. So you should know these shortcuts there. I usually use shortcuts so they're faster. Excuse me. Okay. FXDT, your broker name. Okay. Accounts. Now remember this, guys. A green account is always a demo account. When you have a golden account like this one here, it's a live account. So if you're doing some testing or playing around, please make sure you're in the demo account. Right now I have a demo account with this to make all these videos, so I don't have a personal account with these people. I used to, but for some reason they stopped dealing with the USA. I don't know why, so I had to close my account and move it elsewhere. So accounts we know of now. Indicators. Okay, you can come from here or you can come from here. They have changed the layout of the indicators. Same thing, trend. You'll have to go in here and go in trend and bring the indicators up. Next is oscillators. We'll go in detail about these indicators later on, but no. Basically, you know where you should know where your indicators are in. Volumes. Okay. Sorry, I clicked on also volumes. Bill Williams. And then you have examples of what? Oh, these are simple panels and all that stuff. Okay. And these are your custom indicators right over here. All these are custom indicators. So when you add a custom indicator, it's going to be down in this line here. Some brokers have another tab over here, like under Bill Williams, where examples is, it would say customs, custom indicators or custom. So in this one, they're just showing it outside under indicators. So anyways, you should know how to get to those. Expert advisors. This is where you put your expert advisors. I'm going to tell you right up front now, I used to play with expert advisors, and then I think I stopped about almost 8 years, no, 5-6 years ago. After 2009, I stopped using EAs. I had a big loss on it because the EA malfunctioned. And the broker keeps telling me, you know, if you're going to do with EAs, get a VPN connection. And I think you have to pay per month. It's $100 or $99, $98. I don't remember. I don't use it, and I don't plan to use it. If I want to do automated trading, it's going to be a custom indicator that will alert me of the situation. And then I'll get an email or a text on my phone. I'll open the chart, look at it, then I'll go in. Or if I'm sitting on the terminal, I'll go in. But if you want Questions answered about EAs, I do not deal with them. Please don't ask me which one works the best. I do not know. I do not know. Scripts is usually for programming. People they make their custom indicators with extra steps in it that require script running. This is what this is. I hope you no, okay, one more thing. Favorites. You can put an indicator here. Let's do that for you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Trends, moving average, highlight, hotkey, add to favorites. Okay. Now moving average is added to favorites. I can drag it and drop it from here, or you can put your favorite indicators in here and drag and drop them. Let's do that. I can go attach it to the chart, whichever chart is highlighted, which is in this case is this one here. Let me do 13 exponential open, highlight yellow. So there you go, your 13 EMAs in here. Or you can just pick it up, drag it and drop it. You can add 13 EMA again. You can add your favorites in here. So this is basically the Navigator window. I hope you picked up something from this. And if you have any questions, as I said before, please feel free to email me. You'll have my email address, and I'll try to answer your question as much as I can. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.